5 centuries ago, the Augustine hospital sisters in Mechelen patiently made a number of so-called enclosed gardens. The nuns used these unique artworks for spiritual purposes. They worked with local Mechelen craftspeople to fill large wooden boxes with hundreds of objects, including painted and gilded figurines of saints, carefully wrapped relics, delicate silk flowers, pilgrims' badges, and paper scrolls. Painted shutters protected the gardens from light and dust. Over the centuries, however, the fragile little gardens gradually decayed. The silk faded, silver thread blackened, and dust settled over flowers and figurines. The vegetation separated from the wall. 2 years ago, when In Search of Utopia was being planned, it was decided to conserve 3 enclosed gardens and to try to stabilize the damaged materials. Because of the multiplicity and diversity of the materials in the gardens, a team of 8 conservators and restorers was needed. Experts in textiles, paper, metal, glass, wood, beads, bone, parchment, and painting. These specialists focused on the delicate elements making up the enclosed gardens. Hundreds of these elements were treated over several months using paintbrushes, tweezers, needles, spatulas, and fine textile and metal threads. Their tiny scale meant that they had to be meticulously conserved using magnifying glasses, skilled fingers, stabilized and cleaned elements that risked working loose. The experts also documented every thread and fragment using special imaging techniques. Visitors can now see the results of this long process in the Utopia exhibition.